How to create a Substack publication 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Substack and how you're going to create a publication for it. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to your Substack and you're going to click on Start Writing. Now, once you click on Start Writing, it's going to bring you here. It's going to ask your interests. So I'm going to go with, let's say, business and click on Continue. That's going to say, are there creators you like? I'm going to go ahead subscribe to them. Now it says want to start writing on Substack, create publication. So that is basically what we want to do. We want to go ahead and create a publication for ourselves. So you go to start writing and you go to ready to start publishing. And right here, you can start your publication in whatever form you want. So let's say I want to go ahead and write in something like, something on economics. Okay. You write that in, you add a subtitle for yourself, whatever you want, and then you start writing stuff in whatever you want. So once all of this is done, just go ahead and click on continue and make sure it's for everyone, obviously, because it's a publication. And once that is done, click on send to everyone now. And that is pretty much about it. So that is how you're going to be creating a Substack publication in 2025. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.